In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen the hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is first class. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Facilities of rooms are available online. Book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any random problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.